In this video, we are going to see how to configure router in a Cisco packet tracer. Let us begin. First of all, we need two routers, 2811, and place it on the working page. Now we need switches. Select 295024 switch and place it on the working page. Now select the end user's PC and arrange in a sequence like PC 0, PC1, PC2. Similarly, on the other side, PC3, PC4, PC5. Now connect the switch and the PCs using a copper straight wire and connect it as fast Ethernet 00 to fast Ethernet 01, and similarly to PC1, PC2. One local network is read now, and on the other side in the same fashion. Now connect the switch and the router as same as the PC and the switch. Now click on the router, select physical module. Before that, switch off the router, select physical module W1CT and place it on the router, switch off. Similar to the router 1. Select W1CIT and switch on the router. Now connect these two routers using a serial DC wire. Now configure PCs and go to the desktop. Choose IP configuration. Type IP address as 192.168.102. Subnet masking as a default and default gateway as 192.168.10.1. So similarly assign IP to the other PCs, PC1 and PC2. Now for PC 2, same way 192.168.10.4, subnet mask assigns by itself and default gateway 10.1. Now going to the other network for PC 3, assign the IP 192.168.20.4. And 2.168.20 is the default gateway. 20.1 is the default gateway. Now assign IPs for the other side of the networks in the same way. Now 10.1 is the default gateway for PC1. Now click on the router sorry. uh, Now last PC is ready to get its IP. So now click on the router, go to configuration. Now go to this serial 00 and assign IP for this router, and before that just go to the clock rate, select 128.000. Now assign IP 192.168.30.2. Now on the router. Now go to fast Ethernet 0/0, assign IP for one of the local network, that is for the switch router 0 and switch 192.168.10.1 on the router. So we'll be getting some iOS comments below. And similarly for the router 1, go to configuration. Sorry. Just a moment. Yeah, now it's begin. Configuration serial 000, clock rate, let's go for the clock rate. So similarly this router is also configured. Now select the router 0, go to CLI and give its command. Exit, enter IP route 0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.30. Point 1. Exit. Now close this and go to the router 1. Similarly choose CLI, go to the comment section, enter, exit, enter IP route 192, so 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.301 and exit. Now to check the connections, we'll use message and we'll be transferring to one local network to the other local network and within the same local network. First within the same local network, let us share from PC to PC and see at the left, so right below corner we see